At my adventure today, we're going out to check some fields in Baraboo. Just massive storms. It's gonna be a good day though. Birdstone Sunday, we'll call it. And quit for a while. Made it out to this field. I found something here. See what it is. Nice little point, little tip damage. Right before the rain. Looks like it might be something right here. Looks like it's a point broken right up the middle. Still sprinkling a little bit. Nice little broken point. Worked. See what it is. Nice little point.
I believe I have found an arrowhead. So let's take a look at
Whose row was that?
This was Paul's row on Friday that he had walked down. Nice. Wow, look how thin that was worked.
Paper thin, yeah.
Paper thin. I'm on the board. Wow, cool. I'm happy. It's got some transparency to it too. Too bad the sun's not out. Nice and thin, beautiful.
Here's a broken base.
At first it appeared to be plastic. Could be glass, or it is plastic. Fuck.
Broken point.
Alright, I'm gonna pull this sucker out. Oh, that would have been big. That would have been big. That's
Broken base. Looks like a Madison triangular. But a nice little point.